Subaru Forester 2003 to 2008. Disconnect the battery before starting work. To remove the steering wheel airbag, you need to completely unscrew one Torx head bolt on the left and one Torx head bolt on the right. Once they are unscrewed, carefully turn the airbag over and disconnect the two connectors. To remove these connectors, you need to gently pry up the yellow plastic locking tab and then pull the connector off. You also need to remove the third wire, which is the ground.